multiplication of two unary numbers. Here I am taking 2, 4 and the operation is multiplication, result is 8. So take blank at the end of the table. So 2 will be represented with 2 ones and multiplication is a separator, so represent that with 0. Then 4 should be taken as 4 ones and the result is 8. So again we have separator which will be represented with 0 and this 8 should be taken as 4 blank symbols followed by 4 again. So total 8 blank symbols. 8 will be taken as 8 blank symbols. Okay. So first we are at 1. So mark this 1 with blank. Move towards right side. So while moving towards right side, you may get n number of ones because here as I took only 2, we have only 1 left. Whereas if this is 3, 4 and so on, it can be anything, right? So then in that case you can have n number of ones. So leave that 1 as it is, move towards right side. When we reach this 0 which is separator, that 0 will remain 0 only, move towards right side. When we reach this 1, that 1 should be marked with some special character. Here I am taking it as x, you can take it as y, z, anything. And the logic is, see, for this first one, we'll make all these ones as x. And for this pair of 4 ones, these 4 blanks should be represented with 1. Okay, so we'll mark all these ones with x and these 4 blanks with 1. Again we'll come back for the second one. So while coming back, these x will be marked with 1 back again so that they'll remain 1 only. So this will be done while coming back. So again for the second one also, mark this 4 1 with x and then the remaining 4 blanks with 1. So that is the logic, we'll see. So here, so this will be marked with x, move towards right side. So when we reach this 0, so in between you can have n number of ones. So these ones remain 1 only, no operation. And when we reach this 0, again that 0 remains 0, move towards right side. So when we get this blank, mark that blank with 1. Then come back again till x. In between 0 remains 0, n number of ones remain 1. When we get 1, move 1 position towards right side, mark the second one with x. Now again move till blank. In between 1 remain 1, 0 remain 0. This 1 also remain 1. So mark this blank with 1. Again come back till x. Move 1 position towards right side, mark this third one with x. Again from here, move till blank. These 1s and 0 remain 1s and 0s only and blank will be changed to 1. Again from blank, come back till x. Move 1 position towards right side, mark this fourth one with x. After this, move till the fourth blank, mark this blank with 1. Again while coming back, you need to come till x. 0 will remain 0. When we get x, if you move 1 position towards right side, we have 0, which indicates that there is nothing left in this first part. So from 0, again we'll come back till x. While coming back till x, you will get n number of x in between. So as I said you before, these x should be changed to 1 back again, right? So all these x will become 1, which will be done while coming back after, so from 0. So all these x will become 1 and the 0 will remain 0, 1 will remain 1. Now we are at this point blank. So move 1 position towards right side so that we'll reach this second one. When we reach this one, mark this one with blank. Now already we have 4 ones. So 0, 0 remains 0 only, move towards right side. Now this same process will be repeated, just like how we marked this one with X in the previous case. Again this one will be marked with X, second one will be marked with X, third one will be marked with X, fourth one will be marked with X. For these 4 ones, we'll mark this 4 blank symbols. Right? So at the end, all these blanks should be marked with 1 and all the remaining symbols should be marked with blank. So that is the final result for this multiplication problem. Let us design Turing machine. So start with Q0, which is our initial state. What is our first step? Mark this one with blank. So here, mark this one with blank, move towards right side. Now you can have n number of ones. So when we are at state Q1, if input is 1, leave that 1 as it is, move towards right side. So from 1, we'll be moving towards right side. When we get this input symbol 0, which is our separator, 0 remains 0 only, move towards right side. We are not doing anything on this 1 or 0. Now from 0, we'll move till 1. So state is Q2. When we get this input symbol 1, this 1 should be marked with X and move towards right side. So 1 will be marked with X. From here, we'll move towards right side until we reach blank. So in between, you can have n number of ones. So take Q3, that 1, these ones remain 1 only, move towards right side. Then we also have 0. So 0 remains 0, move towards right side. After this only we'll get blank. When we get blank, mark that blank with 1. So when the input symbol is blank, leave that blank with, mark this blank with 1, move towards left side. Okay, we'll move towards left side. Again, from blank, we need to move till X. In between, you will find 0 and 1. So first is 0. So when the input symbol is 0, leave that 0 as it is, move towards left side. When the input symbol is 0, leave that 0 as it is, move towards left side. Now we are at state Q6. So we have n number of ones. So all those ones remain 1 only, move towards left side. So now you, after getting n number of ones, will get X. So when input is X, here take this as loop. When input is X, that X remains X only and move towards right side. See, why we are taking this complete thing as a loop? Because the process which we have done just now, it will be repeated for remaining 3 ones also. So for this, when we mark this 1 with X, we'll mark this second blank with 1. Third one with X, third blank with 1. Fourth one with X, fourth blank with 1. So it is a loop. So let us see this second one. So now we are at this point, 1 will be marked with X, move towards right side. So while moving towards right side, you will get n number of ones. And when input is 0, 0 will remain 0 only. And in between you will get 1 also now. So after marking this 0, you may get n number of, so after marking this 0, you will get n number of ones. So that 1 will remain 1, move towards right side. Now we have second blank. That blank will be marked with 1, move towards left side. So after marking this blank with 1, move towards left side until we reach this X. So while coming back also, you will get n number of ones. So here we should take loop. So after marking this blank with 1, you need to move towards 0. So in between you'll get 1. So that 1 will remain 1, move towards left side. When we get 0, that 0 will remain 0, move towards left side. Again you will get n number of 1s, those 1s will remain 1 only, move towards left side until we reach x. When input is x, leave that x as it is, move towards right side. So that we'll move to third one. For third one, again this will be repeated. This third blank will be marked with 1. For fourth one, fourth blank will be marked with 1. Right? Now, so after marking this fourth blank with 1, we'll move towards 0. Sorry, we'll move till x again. When the input is x, leave that x as it is, move towards right side. Now when we move towards right side after this fourth x, we'll get 0, which indicates that there is nothing left over before this 0. So when the input symbol is 0, leave that 0 as it is, move towards left side. So there is nothing to process now. So again we need to come back for this second one. While coming back, we'll get n number of x. So all these x should be changed to 1s back again, so that we can repeat this process for second one also. So take this as Q7. After marking this 0, so 0 will remain 0, move towards left side. You will get n number of x. Take it as loop. X will be changed to 1, move towards left side. Now all these x will be changed to 1 back again. And after this, after changing this x to 1, we have 0. So 0 will remain 0 only, move towards left side. So 0 will remain 0, move towards left side. So we'll move till blank. So here we have Q8. How long will move? So we'll move till blank. In between you can have n number of 1s. So again we should take loop. 1 will remain 1, move towards left side. Now we are at blank. Blank will remain blank, move towards right side. Now from here we move to 1. So for this one, again this complete process will be repeated. So for this one, mark this one with blank, move towards right side, so that will move to 0. When input is 0, 0 will remain 0, move towards right side. And this one will be marked with x, move towards right side. In between you may get n number of 1s and 0 will remain 0. Now first 4 blanks are already marked with 1. So we'll cross all these 1s. Then for the fifth blank, mark this blank with 1, move towards left side. We'll come back. So we'll come back till x. For the second one, mark with x. Corresponding blank will be marked with 1. Third one with x. Third blank with 1. Fourth one with x. Fourth blank with 1. So this loop will be repeated. And once this complete process is done, now we are at 0. So 0 will remain 0, move towards left side. Now again while coming back, these x will be changed to 1s. So all these x will be changed to 1s. And the 0 will remain 0 only. So there are no 1s. So this is not required. We'll reach this blank. So blank will remain blank, move towards right side. Now when we move towards right side, we'll find 0, which indicates that the first part is already completed. So when we get this 0, 0 will remain 0. Sorry. Now this first part was done. All these blanks are represented with 1. So what I said you before, after representing all these blanks with 1, we need to represent the remaining leftover symbols with blank. So that will be our final output. So when we get 0, that 0 will be marked with blank, move towards right side. Now we have n number of 1s. So all these 1s should be marked with blanks. So it is a loop again. One will become blank, move towards right side. Now when we get 0, this 0 also will be marked with blank, move towards right side. So this will be our final state. As we all know, in Turing machine there won't be any final state.